Hi guys, I'm at Belmont Lake and today we did some work in the Bunkie again. So we've styled it out just a little bit, adding some of the navy blue, which is the main color in the palette at the main house. So today this happened. So this little kitchenette is cabinetry that we repurposed from the tear out of the original kitchen. And that was really nice for me, just to be sustainable and reuse where we can. So we've added these nice chunky open shelves and a pretty set of dishes with the pattern and the blue, so that's nice. And there's just a basin there. There's no running water here, but really cozy little spot for anybody that wants to come and stay overnight. And there's the TV and the fireplace. And we also repurposed and painted this little side table as well as this dresser. So the little piece of art that's leaning next to the boat is going to hang below that big one. But just to give you an idea of how that works, to repurpose some things and just use them to make things a little bit better and not be throwing everything away. The artwork here is by my client's father, who was an amazing artist, so you'll be seeing more of his work throughout the space. And then there's the drop-down ladder over top with the Bunkie for guests to stay in. So it's really compact and really quite lovely. It's just got just about got everything that you could want. So cozy little stayover. And the sofa is also a pull-out, so that's pretty great too. So that's the Bunkie.